Hey, welcome to day 2 of our online learning experience, and nothing much has changed from yesterday. I am going to post an IXL track today for both geometry and pre-algebra. If you're all caught up, I know they can only allow you to answer a limited number of questions because I don't have a membership, but it will keep your mathematical mind busy and it will help us begin taking a look at some of the topics we've already covered and making sure we stay up to speed with that material and that we're ready for next year. So keep working on your current grade. Go to Power School. Make sure everything is in the condition you want it to be by the end of the day, Thursday, for your third quarter grade. And on Friday, we'll get started with the fourth semester. So give the IXL track a try. Keep on top of your grades. And if you need anything or have any questions, please feel free to email me. Thanks.